Hey guys, welcome to Career Thoughts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get exact location of any place in Python. Well, there are already several ways that you can get any particular locations, latitude and longitude in Python, but there is always a mistake of being exactness. So over here, I'm taking an example and I will show you what I'm going to do. So this is a place, Connaught Place in Delhi, India, and this is a park in which I am going to show you how this particular method is going to be useful. So as you can see in this spot, there is no particular landmark. The place is entirely empty. You can now copy the latitude and longitude to share exact location where you are standing in this park. Else you cannot share it any other way. However, if I have these three words combination, which is dividers, skate and woven, which I am going to copy and paste it in my code. So let me run it. So enter the combination. I am entering these three words and I get a particular link. If I click over this link, I will be directed to the exact location where I want it to be. As you can see, the exact location has been reached. So let us see how I was able to reach over there without any trouble by just getting these three combination of words. So let's begin how I'm going to do this. What I'm going to use is What3Words API. What3Words is a website or an application, mobile application, which has divided the entire world geographics into 3 meter square cubes. So let's go to our Connaught Place and let's zoom it over there. You can see a particular mesh is being created over map, and each mesh is having a square block of 3 meters. Now if I click over there, I get a particular combination of words, and this particular combination of words will take me to only this particular square block. And you can see, as soon as I change the block, the combination of words changes. This is unique for each block in the entire world. Now this can also be used, for example, if you see this building, then in this building over this place you see a sheds position cobras this location. Suppose your store is in that phase, or your store or gate is in this position, so you can get these particular combinations also. These things are very much reliable and very much useful when you are automating your drones or automating any sort of AI in which you are going to use the positions of places. So I have now pasted the description, the three combinations, and now you can see how many information we get. Again, I'm going to open it, and you can see exact. I am again exact at that particular front of the building. So now let us jump down to Python code. I am going to use Python 3, and first we have to install their small package, which is given by What3Words itself. So you can first get the API through going to the developer page in their website and get an API. They have a few restriction of using 1000 hits for 1 month, and below that you can also see there are several languages by which you can use it. I'm going to use Python for this tutorial. You can use it any. They have given a very nice documentation. Now for installing their package, I'm going to use pip install What3Words. This I have provided in the description. You just copy paste it. So as I already have it, the requirements are already satisfied. Now let's go to coding. So first I'm going to import the package, obviously import What3Words. Then I'm going to enter my API key. By this geocoder I'm creating the variable object type, and I'm going to get the in the double quotes I'm going to enter the API key. Now this particular commented line will give you the vice versa of this program. I will tell you this later in the program. So now I'm going to ask the user to enter the combination of keyboard words. Now these three words will be entered and in the object type, and I will get the information. Now I have done some what do we say, string formatting, a simple string formatting. Please don't judge it, I have done it very quickly. Now I'm going to print my link. This particular thing will give me the Google link, and rest variable is having the entire information of this particular with what is being retrieved by the API. So as I have told you about the third line, which is commented, as we are what we are doing is entering the word and getting the coordinates. So if you want to do the reverse, if you want to enter a coordinate and you want to get the combination of words, you can use that particular line. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, or at least hit the like button to show some sort of support. Thank you guys.